Good morning, welcome to Ainsley News, Tuesday, 28th of July. Of course, it's Tuesday, so we're talking cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin has broken key long-term resistance, much to everybody's excitement. On-chain data shows Bitcoin's recent surge to $11,000 is not pressuring traders to sell, meaning BTC could rally higher. On July 26th, blockchain data analyst Glassnode uploaded surprising data about Bitcoin's latest trip to 5 figures and suggested that the current journey above $10,000 will be much different than the last few. Bitcoin has passed $10,000 several times in 2020, but Glassnode's analysis suggests that this time differs from the rest because of the Bitcoin days destroyed indicator. Bitcoin days destroyed is a measure of the value of each BTC transaction, considering how long it is or has been since the coins involved last moved. Previously, jumps above $10,000 resulted in an increase in the Bitcoin days destroyed metric, suggesting that long-term holders were using the opportunity to trade or sell. So far, however, this latest rally has yet to repeat the trend. Glassnode summarizes. In contrast to the last two times BTC hit $10,000, we haven't seen an increase in Bitcoin days destroyed today. BTC USD suddenly crushed the last remaining resistance below $10,000 on Monday, rising to hit highs of $11,200 in US. The Bitcoin price has added some 20% over the last 7 days after being struck in a 2-month range since May, struggling to see much volatility. It remained relatively stagnant in the 9,000 to 9,500 range, consolidating under the 10,500 resistance level before surging past $11,000. Many industry analysts are confident the Bitcoin price is going to continue to soar, citing fundamental and technical strength, i.e. the Bitcoin halving effects, and breaking long-term resistance levels. There are significant changes since March in the way that institutional investors view Bitcoin, Joe DePasquale said, the chief executive of BitBull Capital. Now that institutions have moved into Bitcoin in 2020, the price has shown more support over the last couple of months. We will not see a repeat of the March crash, but Bitcoin will still remain somewhat more volatile than equities. I think the price needs to take a little bit of a breather. It has moved quite a lot in a short period of time. That from Bill Herman, the managing partner of hedge fund Wilshire Phoenix, said via email, adding he could see the Bitcoin price hit its all-time highs by the end of the year if we continue to receive regulatory clarity and continued institutional adoption. He also said, pointing to last week's decision by the US office in the comptroller of the currency to allow banks in the country to control digital assets as triggering the latest rally. It is huge for the space, and that should serve as a tailwind for quite some time, he also said. Check out this next chart here for the Bitcoin days destroyed chart. If you've seen this before, great. If you haven't, it could be a bit confusing, so take some time and have a close read of that. It can indicate price movement and volatility. Cautious optimism that Bitcoin is destined for higher levels still has become a theme in itself amongst traders in recent months. When PayPal sparked rumors of crypto acceptance in June, which we also spoke about, for example, talk immediately turned to Bitcoin's potential to break out not only $10,000 but as much as $12,000 in the short term. Network fundamentals remain encouraging, while the last 2 days' spurt similarly masks a firm contrast to the pattern of compression that Bitcoin had exhibited in prior weeks. A cycle of higher lows and lower highs has placed BTC USD in a narrowing corridor that analysts agree must soon break, which has happened. Altcoins have been similarly bullish, with Ether or ETH breaking firm resistance at $280 in a move which gained even more than Bitcoin. The second largest cryptocurrency by value after Bitcoin has added almost 50% to its price in the last week and pushed on due to a surge of interest in decentralized finance, sometimes referred to as DeFi. The idea that blockchain entrepreneurs can use Bitcoin and crypto technology to recreate traditional financial instruments such as loans and insurance. Ethereum has been further boosted by the soaring price of Chainlink, or Link, a token that powers the decentralized network designed to connect smart contracts to external data sources and is built on top of Ethereum's blockchain. It's also available to buy at Ainsley Wealth by phone or in person, OTC. The value of Chainlink token has more than doubled since early May, adding to its already massive gains over the last year. Adam Trademan, chief executive of cryptocurrency wallet BRD and maker of Blockset, says, Ethereum is one of those game-changing projects. I can tell you firsthand that Ethereum is the most requested chain, right up there with Bitcoin, that companies ask Blockset to support, likely due to its capabilities of building private chains. With crypto breaking its resistance levels and entering a bull market, the all-time highs of $20,000 are definitely in sight. The fundamentals of the asset class have shown clear signs of growth for months, and now the technical charts agree. Who knows how high crypto will soar this time? In more exciting news for Ainsley's Gold Standard, or AUS, and the Silver Standard, AGS, gold and silver-backed tokens, today we announced a launch on both of the Elbait exchange, which is www.elbait.io, which is elbaite.io. Elbait is a Melbourne-based cryptocurrency exchange service provider with a focus on safety for traders. Traders can now buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major cryptocurrencies directly with AUD, and now with both AUS and AGS tokens, which is our gold and silver-backed tokens. The platform utilizes the use of AUD escrow functionalities and on-chain transactions to ensure security and safety. The Elbait program, or platform, is focused on allowing buyers and sellers to be able to connect and perform direct peer-to-peer cryptocurrency transfers directly from the seller's wallet to the buyer's wallet, without any Elbait exchange holding the cryptocurrency at all, which is a great new thing to have, completely removing the need for exchanges at all, really. And that's news for today. Be sure to go to ainsleywealth.com.au for everything to do with cryptocurrency. You can also purchase and also exchange your gold to cryptocurrency and vice versa. Just give us a call and we can arrange that for you. We'll catch you tomorrow for more news.